Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Raj Shekhawat. I'm an associate professor at UCL Ear Institute. Now, reflecting back on the previous lecture, can I just take this moment to tell you how amazing it was to teach you? Basically, I learned so much just by being in your presence. Each one of you were so interactive. You gave your best in the class, you participated actively, you sort of interacted with your peers, and you bring back that knowledge in the class. So that participation was just simply phenomenal. Keep up the good work. Well done. In terms of our second lecture, which is happening on this Thursday, the 6th of February, starting at sharp 9:30, we will be covering two new concepts. And those concepts are focused around assessing the status of middle ear. All right? Those tests are called tympanometry and acoustic reflexes. As usual, I don't want you to do any reading. I don't want you to have access to any slides or bother looking at those slides. All I want you to do is come with lots of excitement and enthusiasm in the class. Make sure you sort of glance through the slides of previous lecture, especially in terms of type of hearing loss, degree of hearing loss, and the audiogram, because I'll be starting the second lecture with actually a quiz. And we'll do some hands-on exercises about how to create an audiogram with different types and degree of hearing losses. Once we have done that, we'll move on to learning more about tympanometry and acoustic reflexes. So, look after yourself and really can't wait to see all of you. Take care. Bye.